Just the past month, AI tools have been used to generate over 500 million digital assets, everything from YouTube videos and news articles to customer service chats and voiceovers. We're living through the fastest adoption curve in tech history. The question is, are you keeping up? These are the AI headlines you need to know now. This week in AI. Welcome to your Future Flash weekly briefing on what just changed in the world of artificial intelligence. From new tools to policy shifts, breakthroughs to ethical debates, this is where entrepreneurs, creators, and curious minds get ahead of the curve. Let's break down the biggest AI stories you might have missed this week. The pace of AI development isn't just fast, it's exponential. If you run a business, create content, or even scroll through your phone, you're being affected by AI advances every single day. The challenge? Most people don't know what's happening until it's already changed their industry. In the last 30 days alone, OpenAI, Google, and Meta all dropped major model updates. Multiple governments introduced new AI regulations. Entire sectors, education, marketing, customer service, saw major workflow disruptions due to new AI tools. The volume of change makes it hard to track what matters. That's why this briefing exists, to filter out the noise and surface what actually moves the needle. Top AI breakthroughs this week. Let's start with this week's top AI breakthroughs. 1. OpenAI's GPT-4.0. This new Omni model can seamlessly understand text, images, and voice in real time. It's fast, multimodal, and shockingly good at interpreting tone and emotion in voice prompts. One demo showed GPT-4o responding to a spoken math problem with real-time voice correction and humor. That's next-level contextual understanding. 2. Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash built for speed and low cost. This model is being rolled into Android features, Chrome extensions, and workspace apps like Docs and Gmail. Imagine a model that summarizes your email threads while you type. 3. Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha. This is the most realistic text-to-video model yet. You type a prompt like, "A flaming meteor crashes into an alien city," and 3 seconds later, you've got movie-level footage. This isn't just flashy, it's a preview of the next creator economy. 4th, Meta's AI agents. Integrated directly into Instagram DMs, Messenger, and WhatsApp. These bots offer personalized interactions, search support, and branded engagement. Social media is going from passive feeds to conversational agents by design. Top story. But the story that could reshape the future? Apple's entry into AI. Leaks and insider reports say Apple is finalizing a major integration of OpenAI models into iOS 18. This includes Siri 2.0, on-device summarization, and AI-generated smart replies across apps. The rumored rollout at WWDC 2024 would instantly bring advanced AI tools to 1.5 billion iPhones. Think of what that means. Frictionless, native AI embedded in the world's most used mobile ecosystem. Apple doesn't release tech until it works seamlessly. If they nail this, it could be the biggest moment in AI since ChatGPT's launch. Bonus. Startup of the week. Let's talk about a startup making waves, Synthesia. Known for AI-generated avatars and video presentations, Synthesia just rolled out a major update: instant voice cloning and emotion control. Now, a single typed script can become a video in 120+ languages, voiced by an AI twin that mimics emotion, pitch, and nuance. Global brands are using it for training, onboarding, marketing, without hiring actors, studios, or translators. It's redefining what it means to localize content. If your job involves internal communication, education, or explainer videos, Synthesia's progress is worth watching. Bonus. Controversial moment. This week's most polarizing AI moment came from TikTok. An influencer used 11 labs to recreate the voice of a deceased celebrity without permission to narrate a sponsored skincare ad. The backlash was immediate. Fans called it digital necromancy, while legal analysts warned it violated publicity rights. This incident has reignited debates around voice ownership, ethical AI, and how we protect legacy identities in a world of synthetic media. It's a preview of the legal fights coming in 2025. Weekly recap. GPT-4 is multimodal and shockingly fast. Google and Meta are embedding AI into daily tools. Apple is about to drop AI on every iPhone, and the legal, ethical, and creative lines around AI are blurring fast. This isn't just AI news, it's a blueprint for what's coming. Which story surprised you the most? Drop a comment and tell us what AI topic you want covered next. And if you haven't seen our last episode on humanoid robots replacing people in real-world jobs, go watch that next. Subscribe for next week's mind-blowing AI newsflash. This is Future Flash. Bonus. AI fail of the week. Even the smartest systems stumble. This week, a glitch in Google's Gemini AI led to viral misinformation. A user asked Gemini to summarize a scientific study on climate change, and the model fabricated a fake headline, complete with non-existent citations. The result? Multiple news outlets mistakenly picked it up, causing confusion before a correction was issued. This highlights a growing concern in the AI space. Even the best models can confidently generate false information, and when that info spreads fast, the damage is real. AI companies are now under pressure to increase transparency and train models to cite verified sources or risk losing user trust. Tool you should try. Looking for a practical AI tool this week? Check out Perplexity AI Pro. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Google search. You ask a question like, what's the best time to post on LinkedIn for engagement? And Perplexity returns answers with live sources from the web. Unlike standard language models, it doesn't just guess, it shows its work. It's ideal for quick research, article summarization, or staying current without doom scrolling. Bonus, it now supports follow-up threading and image generation inside the same session. For creators, marketers, and curious minds, it's a must-bookmark tool. New AI coming soon. Here's what's coming soon in AI. Claude 3.5 is rumored to launch with multi-agent capabilities. OpenAI's memory-enabled ChatGPT Pro is expanding globally. Adobe is preparing Firefly 3 with real-time graphic design editing. Amazon is rolling out its own AI-powered shopping assistant across more regions. We'll break each of these down in upcoming episodes, so make sure you're subscribed.